Alright, we're back with number 4. This time, we will be showing you how to have characters do math, and I forgot. Actually, no, I don't. So now you might be wondering, why do I need my scripts to do math? Math sucks. Hey, don't say that just because you hate math. And also, if we look on this really dumb project I created, now, as you can see, if we just zoom out, I left a little note right here. We'll talk about that in the next one. You can see that it's going to set this CPS to clicks divided by 3. And this is, you can see, this block does the math, and this is the timer. I'll be showing you how to do that and why it's important you even do it. Because we'll get to that in the 5th tutorial. But for now, let me just show you what I mean. If we go to variables, actually open up the clicks. We are going to click 3 times and stop. Then, if it actually works, it's not even working. I received message 1. For some reason, it's broken. I tested this earlier. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Wait. If it's less than 7 and not less than 6. What? Hang on. So if I click like this, then it says 7. I think you can all do the math. That's correct. The math code and literally the entire math script itself is this block here. All it is literally 3 blocks that do the math. Set CPS, and that's by the way, that stands for clicks per second. And yes, if you see anything on here, it will be posted eventually on my new Scratch account. Just to start over and refresh. So, if you want to check me out, my Scratch account name is the Firemouse YT. So go check it out. But that's just to set the CPS. Literally, the equation. Literally, I just stick this in, and this is a number divided by 3. This case, the number is a variable. That variable, the clicks. So when you're doing things, you'll see this, but you will never actually see that I actually just clicked 21 times. You see, that's where things get interesting. You just have to, and computers, math is never wrong. And there's multiple ways to do math. Now, if you have all the basic operators, you have all the basic equations. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You know what? Let's just insert a random equation. Let's just create a random equation and test it. So, like, computers are never wrong. I'm just giving you an example. Alright, so when I click this, it's gonna tell me the answer. Now I'm actually doing the math, and the correct answer, you see, you have to remember order of operation. Computers will ignore that because it's like, oh, I want to put parentheses. But I think the parentheses are did in other ways. So, first, what you do is you divide, is 5 divided by 5 equals 1, times 5 equals 5. Yes, we're doing a little bit of math. 6 minus 3 equals 3, so this should be 8. 2.8. What did you do wrong? But anyways, if this huge equation equals 50, which it doesn't, it'll say false. But that's just, so yes, you can use this to help you with math in the same way you can use Excel. Weird, I know. But don't use this as a calculator. Don't cheat in school. This is just so you can tell the machine to do math, because it can be used for a lot of things, as I said. Pick a number between 1 and 10. If it equals 5, false, 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 false. Oh, it said true for one time. There it is. The computers are never wrong. So yeah, use math. And that's part 4. I'll see you in part 5.